Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the count and clear method of the list class. Count method is used to count the occurrence of any element in the list and it returns 0 if the element is not found in the list. So let's start by doing an example for the count method. So we are using this list which we created earlier, and here if we say print list dot the name of our list is employees, so here we will give employees dot count, and the element which we want to be counted is Pooja, and let's run this. So this is going to give us 2 because we have 2 occurrences of Pooja in our list. But let's suppose if I say here rather than Pooja, Priya. Since we do not have any Priya in our list, this is going to return 0 to us. Here you can see that we are getting 0. So count basically is the method which can be used to count the occurrence of any element in the list. Now the next method that we are going to discuss is the clear method. So clear method is basically used to clear the list, that is to remove all the elements from the list. So here if we have employees dot clear, that is we are calling the clear method for the list employees, and thereafter if we say print employees, so it will give us an empty list. Here you can see we are getting a list which is empty. Fine. So we can remove all the elements of the list by using the del statement as well, but del statement deletes the object itself. Like suppose if we have this list and if we say del employees, that is we are not passing any index over here, we are simply saying delete the employees, so it will delete the object employees itself. So hereafter if we will try to reference employees, it is going to raise error. So let's try this out. So if we say print employees here, so it is going to raise error over there. Here you can see we are getting name employees is not defined because we have already deleted the object with the name employees. So if we want to delete the list, that is we want to delete the object itself, we can give the del statement along with the name of the list. But if we want list to exist but we want to remove only the elements of the list, we can use clear, which will remove all the elements of the list but the list exists, that is the object exists. So in this tutorial we have seen the use of count and clear and the use of del to remove the object itself. Thank you for watching this tutorial.